Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Monopoly Go. If you are trying to sign in or connect to one of your social accounts for Monopoly Go, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application. Wait until the application loads. Once you're inside your game, go ahead and tap on the menu button located at the top right-hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the Facebook Connect option at the bottom. Tap on Confirm for the Facebook notice and in the pop-up, tap on Continue to get to the facebook.com sign-in page. Make sure to sign in to your Facebook account as well, and after you are done, tap on this Continue button. Right after you do that, you will be able to log into Monopoly Go. If you want to sign in or log in from any other options, from the expanded menu, tap on Settings and tap on Connect Account. You can then choose any other options such as Apple ID or Game Center if available. So that is how you will be able to log into your Monopoly Go game. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.